Hey guys, it is me, Dance Lover 2018, and today I will be getting adopted in Animal Jam. I'm very excited for this, so let's get started. Now, before I start the video, I want to give credit to Sugar Cookie because I was looking on her channel and I saw this video she did called Animal Jam Getting Adopted, so I thought that I would do a video just like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be getting adopted in Animal Jam. So please subscribe to her channel, Sugar Cookie, and and there's some other people I want you to subscribe to too. So let me just write them down. So another person I want you to subscribe to is Nova Dreams. So she's the same person as this, but this is her newer channel. So just click on her and subscribe to her. And I also want you to subscribe to Three Weirdos and a Camera, and they all do videos together. So it's Maddie and Bella and Grace, and they all do videos together. And I also want you to subscribe to Snow Leppy Gaming, which is my cousin Tanya. Pro Skills to the Top, which is also my cousin Adriano. Cash Gaming 40, which is my cousin's friends. And Lol Ice Cream Cookies Yo. And she's also my friend and my cousin's friend. And I also want you to subscribe to my old channel, which is called Ballet Lover 2017. I don't have any more videos on there, but yeah, still subscribe to it if you guys want. And I also want you to subscribe to my channel, my new one, Dance Lover 2018. Okay, guys, so let's get started with the getting adopted video in Animal Jam. So right now, I'm going to go to Jamal Township and go to the Adoption Center. Here I am. So there's a few random people in here. There is an interesting dog. Please adopt is very well mannered. Whatever that is, a goat, a wolf, this thing. All right, now I'm just going to transform into my bunny character and get adopted. All right, I'm just going to sleep in the corner. No one will probably notice me, but let's give it a shot. So, please adopt me. Please adopt me. Hopefully someone will see this and adopt me. If they don't, then oh well, I have no clue what to do. If bunnies need to be adopted, come to my den. Okay, so I'm gonna go to this person's den. They're not accepting any buddy requests right now. So just, okay, your den is locked. Well, I'm going to say that. Your den is locked. Thanks. Okay, so this non-member wolf decided to adopt me, so I'm just gonna enter the den. Ooh, nice den is what I'm gonna say. Because they actually do have a really nice den. I like their den. So, ooh, nice den. I like your den. And there's someone else here. Ooh, look how nice this place is. Very crowded, but very nice. Can you be a wolf pup? Thanks. Sure. So I guess I'm going to turn their color. I'm going to just transform into their color because she wants me to be a wolf pup. So all right. So I'm buddied with my sister and my mommy, but I'm going to have to do the same color as them. So I don't really know what the color of them is. So I'm just gonna do the same color as my sister. With black spots. Alright, so as I'm changing my color, the mother is gonna go get some more children or whatever. So right now, I'm just picking out my spots. These ones, are these ones good? They are the same ones. Okay. And I'm going to change my color to a lighter brown because that's what she just did. And I'm going to also do white ears. I don't know. She has white ears, so I'm going to do the same thing. And yeah, I look like them. Perfect. Hi, sis. Let's wait for a reply. Hi! Okay, so she replied with hi. I am just going to put a nice little smiley face. Now let's wait for our mother to come back. Where is our mother? She's taking forever. You know, she told me to stay here, so that is exactly what I'm going to do. I wonder how many more siblings we will have. Yeah, same. I wonder too, because I seriously do not know. Oh, here is our third sibling. Yay! Hello. Aw, she's a little baby. So cute. Yay! Hi, sibling. Sibling. I wrote sibling wrong. Wow. Do you guys seriously believe that? Hello. Hi. Hi. We all have our own little beautiful siblings and beautiful pup families. So adorable. She's gonna get more puppies. Cute. Sup. Cute. Sup. I want to be the family forever. We can be the family forever. I wrote, my English is like really bad right now because as you can see, I'm typing with one hand because I'm recording with my other hand. Because I'm holding my thing close to my mouth so after I can record. Hug pushy. Yeah, yay! Hi, baby. Hello, little child. Ooh, there's tea here. Tea. Who does not like tea? I love tea. Well, I don't really drink tea in real life, but I am in the game, so. Look at that. It's adorable. I love this little game thing. So cute. And then we have just a little rain cloud over here, as you can see. The mother put into the den. Adorable. Picks up plushie. You know, she has like a billion games here. I'm gonna play one. I'm gonna play. No, not this. I want to play the stuffy game. I'm going to play. I'm gonna play this game. Okay, so we're gonna use up 5 of my gems and play this game. So let's do this. Let's just move it over and let's go down. Oh, I got a present! Look at that! Cute present. I'm gonna play each of the games now. So I'm gonna play the fox game now. Get a little fox. Aw, almost. Well, not really. They always say that for every single game. Anyways, I'm just gonna do the third one, and then if I don't get anything, then I'm done playing the games, and we're just gonna go see the family or whatever. Because I think a third of my sibling came. So, oh yay, look, I won. So yeah, raccoon plushie, I'm keeping that. Hello, little sibling. Look, so many siblings. So many siblings! Woo! I'm gonna buddy the new person. Sparkle Spirit Lily. Am I buddy to everyone here? Like, I seriously have no clue if I'm buddy to everyone here. Well, I'm buddy to her, to her, to her, and the mom. For y'all Subway. Can we please be a puppy family forever? And can we please have a dad? Yay! Yay! I'm Rosie, as you can see, people. Oh, my buddy's going in the game. Who's that? Who is that? Alright guys, so I think that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this. I got adopted in Animal Jam, really good. So now we're just going to go find a dad. So maybe we'll just stay on a couple more minutes. And then if we don't find a dad in like a couple more minutes, then I have to end the video. Because it can't be too long. It's already been 10 minutes and it has to stop at 15 minutes. So yeah, let's follow her to the pillow room. Where is my mother? Oh, there she is. There she is. Hi, Mom. Alright, so I'm guessing we need a dad. We need a dad. Okay. So let's just like wait a couple minutes and get a dad. And yeah, if we don't get one, then uh-oh. How about this person here? What if this person is the dad? He looks like a dad. He looks like he could be an amazing dad. So, I'm gonna buddy him. And can you please? Yay, he buddied me! Oh, this is going somewhere. Oopsies. What is going on here? Be my dad? Can you please be my dad? Hi, Dad. Okay, I'm just waiting for a response from him now. Does he have anything on his trade? Ooh, look at that. It's a rare. I haven't traded in so long. I need to trade something. Yes, I'm going to put that on trade. It's like the worst trade in the world, so I'm not going to trade that. We need a dad. Hi, Dad. Is he going to reply? Hey, Daddy, reply. Daddy, reply to me. Come on, Dad. Who's Dad? My dad. Okay, how come none of my siblings are here? I thought she wanted us to help her get a husband. Which one? This one. This one. In the... Oops, hold on. In the blue! Alright, so, is he going to adopt us? Come to my den, please. Okay. And I got a mail from someone. No, sorry. Oh my gosh, what happened to him? What happened to him? He looks like crazy now. Okay, I guess. I don't know. Oh well. Hi. Okay, so I don't know if you guys noticed this, but in the puppy family, I'm the only puppy with blue eyes. She has black eyes, she has black eyes, and I have blue eyes. Like, wow. I'm the only puppy in the family who has blue eyes. Where is Mom? I don't know. She said to come back here to her den. I don't know. She said to come back here to her den. Oh, okay. All right. Anyways, guys, I think I'm going to end the video now. So